Welcome today in July. World famous Guarantee RV Supercenters. I'm Gary Christian, serving the dealer since 1981. Yep, this is my anniversary month. Today I've got a really awesome Coachmen Catalina Summit Series trailer, 4,900 pounds. And wait till you see the storage this thing bad boy has inside. You will be totally amazed. Nice double entry step, assist grab handle. But come in and feast your eyes on this trailer. My gosh, what a lot of room. Let's start in the bathroom. Ha! Tricked you! It's over here on this side. So take a look. Good storage in your shelves, cabinet space, little tub. If you've got kids, that's nice. Corner vanity, fan up on top. We're going to go to the other bathroom, which, in this case, is a nice, generous pantry. Look at all that room in there. That's a lot of room. What's over here then? Well, that's a wardrobe closet. Storage up above. USB ports, 110. Dinette breaks down into another bed. This bad boy pulls out, and you can see this mechanism makes this into a huge bed. Sleeps a couple people side by side. Well, let's not get out of the kitchen yet. We haven't talked about the fuses, circuit breakers, the propane heater, and of course a Norcold refrigerator. 6 cubic foot, nice deep tray up top so you won't spill anything. Storage up on top, nice big cabinet. Put a lot of boxes and stuff. Counter space galore. 3-burner stove. A double sink, recessed. But let's go down below, because you've got storage all the way across the top. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Little cutting top here. All plywood. No particle board, and any drawer. Of course, you've got a fan and light, microwave, and right here, this is where you can put a gorgeous flat screen TV. I tell you what, bring the mount in, the TV, and I'll put it in for you. We'll hook it right in here to this backer, and then you've got your DVD player, your stereo system. You've got good storage down in here. Slide control, light switch, and if you poke your head in there, I'll lift up the bed. Good storage under the bed. Full length closets on both sides. Got a lot of room down below because you can hang dresses in there. There's enough room there, or a slicker. Storage up over the top of the bed on both sides. Yes, there is a backer in here too for another TV if you wanted it. We could do that. Speakers throughout the unit. Big super slide out. Air conditioner. Direct spark ignition on your hot water. Electric awning again. Slide controls. Thermostat for your heat and your air conditioner. Look at this. You can open it up. You got a little slider here, keep the bugs out. Does it get better? Yes, it does. Look at this. A nice outdoor sink, hot and cold water. So if you're out here barbecuing or cooking, somebody needs to wash their hands, well, you don't have to go inside. You've got it right here. Barbecue. There's a barbecue that comes with this. It mounts right here. How do you run it? There's a propane outlet right there. Easy. Vent for your stovetop vent. Service for your refrigerator. Furnace intake and exhaust. So this is going to be warm here now if you're running that. You got a low point drain here. Shower, outdoor shower, hot and cold water. You got your bumper in the back, which houses your sewer hose. On that is your full-size spare tire. 110 outlet, cable satellite hookup, hot water. Dump handles are right down here. Yes, with the slide in, it's easily accessible. So you're going to go ahead and roll the slide in before you leave. You can dump your tank, or you can do it as you leave the park if you don't have a dump where your parking spot is. Here's a shot of this pass-through storage across the front. And then right behind this door we have the water fill and the city water fill. I really know that you have a question on this, so why don't you just call me direct? I did the video, right? My number is 541-554-9581. Yes, my email's on the screen. You can do that too. Come on, let's go camping. Thank you.